you're a kid. Not social media. Why? Why it's okay in I thought you're a kid. Dikat, you're little boy. You can chat there in platform chat room. You're still young. You're still young to go to the chatting platform. Why is there is a place for a teenager platform chatting? No, you are still young to chat. Wow, really? I don't. Sorry, I don't know. Now only I know. I only know that adults chatting platform. I never think that there is for teenager.